India, the fifth largest economy with a GDP of 2.9 trillion US dollars, has emerged as one of the major players in this evolving global scenario. With the world's second largest population, India is fastest growing energy market in the world. Its share in global energy demand is set to more than double to 12% by 2050, where oil consumption is expected to peak at 6.3 million barrels per day in 2035, ultimately reducing back to current level of 5 million barrels per day by 2050. And gas consumption is expected to jump more than 5 times, from current 64 BCM in 2020 to 332 BCM in 2050 in a rapid transition scenario. Government of India is determined to increase share of natural gas in energy mix to 15% by 2030. With a robust infrastructure having world's fourth largest refining capacity, fourth largest LNG regasification capacity and third largest CNG vehicle fleet, India is poised to lead the global energy demand as a prominent energy hub. Reducing import dependence of oil and gas through enhancing domestic production has been the cornerstone of recent revolutionary reforms. Key policy reforms such as hydrocarbon exploration and licensing policy, discovered small field policy, enhanced recovery policy and natural gas reforms underpinned by an ever-increasing demand has made India a lucrative investment destination for E&P business. HELP has brought about a paradigm shift in the way blocks are awarded by adopting open acreage licensing program, with investors having liberty to carve out blocks through round-the-year EOI submission window. OALP offers simple and lucid model contract, attractive fiscal and less regulatory burden. Government of India intends to substantially boost indigenous domestic production in the coming years through the 3 focus areas of existing resource, enhanced recovery and prospective resource. The government also intends to enhance recovery factor of oil-producing fields from 26% to 40% and gas-producing fields from 41% to 70%. Government of India is determined to further enhance the conduciveness of policy and fiscal environment for leveraging the untapped potential of Indian basins. India's stupendous performance in World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Ranking 2020 is a testament to the government's commitment in undertaking progressive economic reforms. This has added to the confidence of global investor community, which is eyeing India as a bright spot on a global landscape.
It is India that on current trends will overtake China as the largest growth market for energy by the mid-2020s. That is according to BP's Energy Outlook. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi and the stewardship of Minister Pradhan, we have seen systematic moves to improve the ease of doing business and liberalize the energy sector.
On the back of strong economic reforms and conducive business environment, Government of India intends to increase acreage under award to 1 million square kilometers by 2024 and 1.7 million square kilometers by 2030. This shall increase increased active participation from NOCs in increasing exploration activity in the country. There is a tremendous potential for investors to acquire unexplored acreages. To empower the potential investors in taking informed decisions, government introduced the National Data Repository, a single source to view and interpret countrywide geological data. Under National Seismic Program, approximately 45,300 line kilometer of 2D seismic data of onshore sedimentary areas have been acquired and is progressively being uploaded on NDR. NSP will also cover offshore areas as there is a huge untapped potential. In this gaining momentum of digitization, India is fast adopting IT-enabled processes. Transition to single window clearance mechanism and online contract management system is a great start towards achieving the objective of Digital India. The government continues to reform, perform and transform the sector by liberalizing environmental clearance for exploratory drilling, constituting an alternative dispute resolution mechanism and an empowered coordination committee for expediting clearances, digitizing and simplifying existing hydrocarbon contracts. Going forward, India's goal of becoming a $5 trillion economy by 2024 shall be deeply intertwined with sustainable energy growth. As India transitions towards a cleaner and sustainable future, E&P sector will have to reduce its carbon footprint substantially. Government of India envisions that all companies shall make their Scope 1 and 2 emissions net zero by 2050. Ushered by an investor-friendly policy regime, the hydrocarbon sector of India presents exciting opportunities for investors. India allows 100% FDI in E&P business, offering investors multiple channels to enter.
For investment and easy business, come to India.
India welcomes global investors with open arms.